if you want to enable or disable your USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, let's open up our settings, scroll down to our About Phone tab, and locate your cell phone information. Find your build number and tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Press OK. So your developer settings has been turned on. Let's go back and let's look at our developer options. There in our settings, right beneath our About Phone tab. So open it up and we have to locate our USB debugging. So in order to activate it, simply tap on the switch and press OK. Now your debug mode is activated, and it basically helps your phone to work with computers or other devices for developing or for fixing down some issues. When you're done, once again tap on the switch, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.